Good morning, everybody. I'm here to teach you lesson number 4 of science, wild animals. Yesterday we have learned about what type of animals? Domestic animals. What are domestic animals? The animals which have been kept at our home are called domestic animals. But the animals live in jungles are called as wild animals. What are wild animals? The animals live in jungles are called wild animals. Okay, the animals kept at home are called domestic animals. The animals keep inside our home are called pet animals, and the animals live in jungle are called wild animals. These wild animals are of different shapes and sizes. Have you seen any wild animal in the forest? No, we did not go there to see them. But we can see the wild animals in a zoo. What is a zoo? Zoo is a place in which wild animals are kept. Okay, we can see the wild animals in a zoo. Okay, tell your parents to take you a zoo and you can see many wild animals there. Right? Okay, now we will learn about the large animals. Okay, these animals I told you they are of different size and shape. Okay, first of all let us learn about their shape and size. These large animal, the largest animal, which is that? Can you name this animal? This is blue whale. What is this animal? Blue whale. This is the biggest animal in the world. Which is the biggest animal in the world? Blue whale. And where does the blue whale live? It lives in the ocean. Where does it live? It lives in the ocean. And what is the length of the blue whale? It is 35 meters long. It is very long. 35 meters. Your mummy's sari is 5 meter long. But this blue whale is 35 meters long. It can grow up to 35 meters. And what is the weight of the blue whale? Its weight is equal to the weight of 24 elephants. When we weigh 24 elephants, that weight will be equal to the weight of one blue whale, the largest, the biggest animal in the world. Okay. Now there are some more animals I'll show you. What is this? Elephant. And what is this? Rhinoceros. And this one? Lion. And this one, the tallest animal, which is that? Giraffe. Okay. See, this is lion. What is lion also called? What is the importance of lion? Lion is called the king of jungle. Which animal is the king of jungle? Lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Okay. Now we will learn about some medium sized animals. What are we going to learn? We are going to learn about medium sized animals. What is this? Zebra, which has strips on its body. And what is this? Deer, a beautiful animal, isn't it? Yes. And what is this? This is a vulture. What is this? It is a vulture. What is this bird called? Vulture. Okay. Then, what is this? Largest snake. Python. What is this? Python. And this one, crocodile. What is this? Crocodile. And this one, it is a bear. Okay, these animals are medium sized animals. Can you name any 4 medium sized animal? Yes, name any 4 of them. Now we are moving to small animals. Ready now? Okay. See, small animals, and very small. Bird, it is also very small. Rat, fox, snake, rabbit, all these are small animals. We have learned large animals, medium sized animal and small animals. You have to name any 4 large, 4 medium sized and 4 small animals. Can you name? Yes. Now you have heard that the animals in the jungle, in the forest, they always move. They always roam, move. They always move. Okay, why do they roam? They roam in search of food and shelter. Why do the animals, wild animals roam? Wild animals roam in search of food and shelter. Why do the wild animals roam? Wild animals roam in search of food and shelter. So what do the wild animals eat? Let us see. Now we will learn about the food of wild animals. What do they eat? Wild animals eat different kinds of food. Okay, they eat different types of food. What are they? Some animals like elephant, deer, zebra, giraffe, they eat only plants. What do they eat? Only plants. So these animals are called plant eaters or herbivores. What are the animals which eat only plants called? They are called plant eaters or herbivores. Can you name some of the herbivores? Some of the herbivores are elephant, zebra, rhino, giraffe, deer and monkey. They eat only plants. Okay, if the animals eat only plants, they are called herbivores. Okay, good. There are some animals like lion, hawk and crocodile. What do they eat? They hunt and eat the flesh. See the crocodile eating this big fish. Hawk eating the flesh. And lion, it is hunting the deer and it will eat its flesh. These animals which eat flesh are called flesh eaters. They are also called carnivores. Okay, one group of animals, they eat only plants. And what are they called? They are called herbivores. Some animals eat flesh of other animals by hunting. And what are they called? They are called flesh eaters or carnivores. Okay, there are some other animals which, some carnivores which eat dead bodies of other animals. These crocodile, hawk, lion, tiger, etc., they hunt and eat. And the remaining flesh is eaten by some other animals. They are called as cleaners. Okay, they help to keep the jungle clean. Animals like hyena, vulture, fox, etc. What do? They eat the dead bodies of other animals and they keep the jungle clean. They are the cleaners of the jungle. Okay, now let us learn about some more animals. Some animals like bear, cat and crow, they eat both plants and flesh. What do they eat? They eat plants and flesh. Okay, so they are called omnivore. What are these animals called? Omnivores. And a bear is fond of honey. He likes honey very much. Okay, you see, crow can eat plants or seeds as well as flesh. Cat also eats both and they are called as omnivores. Now we learned about 3 types of animals on according to their food. What are they? Herbivores. What are they also called? Plant eaters. Then carnivores. What are they also called? Flesh eaters. And third one is omnivores. What are omnivores? The animals which eat both plants and flesh are called omnivores. Okay. Now we will learn about their homes. Where do they live? Where do these wild animals live? There are different places in the forest for them to live. What are they? Animals like rats, moles, and mongoose dig holes in the ground and live in the burrows. Where do these animals live? Rats, moles, and mongoose? They live in the holes in the ground. And who make those holes? They make the holes. They are known as burrows. Those holes in the ground are called burrows. Okay. Rats, moles, mongooses, etc. live in burrows. And rabbits also live in the burrows. But rabbits don't make burrow. They live in the burrows made by other animals. Other animals make their burrows and rabbit live inside that. But rat, mole, mongoose, etc. make their own burrow and they live inside. Okay, see rat and rabbit, this is what burrow, a hole in the ground. They live inside that ground, that is called as burrow. Then another group, what are they? Snakes. Where do the snakes live? Snakes live in the tree holes and ant hills. What are ant hills? The holes dug by the ants are called as ant hill. This is a tree. See, in the hole of a tree you can see a snake. And this is what an ant hill, and the snake is living inside that ant hill. Okay. Rats, rabbits, etc. live in burrows. Snakes live in the holes of the trees or the ant hills. And lions and tigers live as families in their caves. Okay, lions and tigers, they live with their family, with their baby ones. And where do they live? They live in the caves. Okay, in these types of caves they live. And where do the birds live? Birds build their nest on the branches of the tree or in the holes in the tree trunk. Where do the birds live? Birds live in the nest. And where do they make the nest? They make the nest on the branches of the tree or the holes in a tree trunk. Okay, good. There are some wild animals who do not live in homes. They don't live in homes. And what they are doing? They roam about in jungle. What do? They always roam here and there, like elephant, giraffe, zebra, deer, etc. Monkey also is an example. They don't have their home, but they live under the tree. Okay, monkeys and squirrels live on the tree. Elephant, giraffe, deer, etc. live under the tree. They don't live in any house. Clear? Okay, now we have learned about the wild animals and their food habits and their homes. Did you learn? Yes. There are some animals. You can see some animals here now. Where are they living? They are living in the water. There are some water animals also. What are they? Fish, octopus. Okay, they live only in the water. Do you know that if you catch a fish and if you keep it on the land, what will happen? After some time, the fish will die. Okay, fish can live only in water, but frogs, tortoise, and crocodile can live on both land and water. Tortoise can live on land and in water. Crocodile also can live in land and water. Frog can live both on the land and in the water, but some animals can live only in the water. Okay, so what are the homes for the animals? Do you remember? Rats, rabbits, etc. live in burrows. Snakes live in Halls of the tree or ant hills. Good. And where do the elephants live? They don't have any home. Okay, tigers, they live in the caves. Okay, fish live in water. Birds live in the nest. Right, very good. Now we will learn about saving the wild animals. These wild animals are in danger all over the world. They are in danger. Okay, why? Because their home, what is their home? Forest. And the forest is being cut. Who cut the forest? Humans. Humans, we people cut the forest, and now their home is not there, and these animals are killed for their skin, bones, horn, tusk, etc. We get skin from some animals like tiger. We take the bones of these animals. We take their horns and the tusk of elephant. All these, for all these things, we kill the animals. Okay, so they are in danger. So what should we do? We should stop cutting down the forest and protect the wild animals. Will you protect the wild animals? Yes, we all should protect the wild animals. Okay, now the chapter has come to the end. Our class also came to the end. Shall I stop today? Yes. You have learned a lot about the wild animals. Yes or no? Yes. You are good students. Okay? We will meet again tomorrow. Take care. Stay home and stay safe. Okay? Bye.